Father Ari, to our distinguished commencement speaker, Ms. Maria Alonso, to our hardworking and kind-hearted school principal, Mrs. Ines Tasmataya. That's a great honor. It is my pride and honor to welcome you all to Jess Bambino Parochial School Annual Awards and Graduation Ceremony. Allow me to confidently and excitedly congratulate everyone for your past and completed your serious tasks and activities, for every lesson learned, group activity, first project, first Sunday Mass, for every morning started, early morning study, we've made it. Allow me to extend great appreciation to our winning moment. As we fully develop our skills and increase our knowledge and wisdom and become the holistic version of us. Thanks to our alma mater and to our raising St. Lucia professor, Mrs. Elena Organo, and to all our teachers who've been our educator, mentor, and most of the time, coaches, to guide us and be our role model. And the heartfelt appreciation to our ever-supporting families and parents who stood with us and who sees us through our ups and lowest points. To the one who gave their lives for us, Mom and Dad, thank you both. To our classmates and friends, for the teamwork, lessons we shared, and the friendships that bonds us. To my bright and wonderful people who made this experience unforgettable, thank you. I can confidently say that we are one amongst the Filipino graduates, the one who's prepared to learn more and live with confidence with character, to honor our parents and our country, and we are soon young outstanding professionals. So I encourage each and everyone today, my fellow graduates, as the school year ends, let us all continue our journey to a new beginning, to unleash our full potentials, and be the pride of our alma mater, our parents, and our country. Above all these, let's give all the praise and glory to God, our Creator. Once again, I am Jefferson Alvarencio Jr., a graduate of grade 6 St. Lucie. Congratulations and welcome to Jess Bambino Parochial School Annual Awards and Graduation Ceremony. Thank you.